Do you know the difference between a competent person and a qualified person? At first glance, these terms may appear similar, but upon closer examination of the differences, you'll discover they are not as similar as they initially seem. OSHA 29 CFR 1926.32 subpart F states that a competent person means one who is capable of identifying existing and predictable hazards in the surroundings or working conditions which are unsanitary, hazardous, or dangerous to employees, and who has authorization to take prompt corrective measures to eliminate them. This means that a competent person has the authority to take prompt measures to eliminate hazards at a work site and has the experience to be capable of identifying those hazards. By definition in OSHA 29 CFR 1926.32 subpart I, a qualified person means one who by possession of a recognized degree, certificate, or professional standing, or who by extensive knowledge, training, and experience has successfully demonstrated their ability to solve or resolve problems relating to the subject matter, the work, or the project. This means that a qualified person must have a recognized degree, certificate, or extensive experience and ability to solve the subject problems at the work site. And that's a wrap. Now you know the difference between a competent person and a qualified person. Thanks for watching.